Hello there everyone, my name is Nathan Birch. In this video we're going to go over how to create a GitHub repository. So if you have not heard of GitHub already, if you just go to github.com, you will see that GitHub is basically a place to store all of your code. So anytime you write code, you'll want to save it in a GitHub repository so that anyone who wants to see your code, they can see it. If you're applying for a job and they want to see your portfolio, you can just say, hey, here's my GitHub link, and then you can do it. Okay, so go ahead and sign in or sign up here. And once you're there, we're going to go ahead and make a repository. Okay, so I just logged in. Once I'm here, I can go ahead and hit new repository. And then right here, I can make a repository for anything that I want. For this one, I'll just say JavaScript in 2 minutes. Okay, I'll leave this public so that other people can see it if they want to. And then once I have it, I'm going to open up VS Code so that I can actually work with this and connect it to my computer. Okay, so here's my VS Code window. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to open up a new terminal. And this is the folder on my computer. And then I'm going to run a couple of these commands. I'm going to say Git Init, which will make a new Git repository here on my computer. And then I'm going to run this second to last one. And I'll just paste that and run it. And now you can see if I say git remote -v, it'll show me my repository that it's connected to. Then in here, if I make a new file, I'll just say test.txt, and I'll say this is awesome, and I'll save it. I can actually come over here, and Git here in VS Code shows that there's a change, and so I'll just say adding a file, and I'll hit Control Enter, save and all and commit, and then I can hit this and hit push. Okay, yes, that's just fine. And then that'll take a second. You can see that that was running, and then I should just be able to refresh this. Okay, and you can see that that just showed up. It showed that it was committed 34 seconds ago, and then I can look at this and access it. Okay, and then anytime I want to push code to GitHub, we'll simply just say, hey, there's a change here. We'll click on the version control here. We'll make the change, and then you can just hit push.